Narendra Modi is talking about now we are the fourth largest developing countries in India, world. He said. Stalin also talking about Tamil Nadu. This is the Tamil Nadu state become a largest state in India. Okay, but the problem of the growing GDP, who are the beneficiaries? One side our GDP growing, second side Ambani, Adani and corporate companies, their property is also growing. But rural India, farmers, agriculture workers, artisans, especially Dalits, Adivasi, OBC and minority. What is their condition? In Tamil Nadu, until still now, after 70 years of our independence, 30% of rural poor without land. Is it a genuine? Is it a development? Second thing, the great legend, Honorable CM, the Kamaraj time, they started housing and house sites given to Dalits, they called Adijana colonies. From Coimbatore to Chennai, thousands colonies is there. Lakhs people, they are living in that colonies. Housing or without housing. Still now, they are giving only Namona Patta, not original Patta. Namona Patta do not accept anything. Gangs or loans or etc. We are demanding every colony. Who are the beneficiaries? Government should give original Patta. But what the problem, Stalin? So that is there. We know BJP means corporate party, communal party, Manuvada party. But DMK not a Manuvada party, DMK secular party. What is their approach on land issues? For example, in Tamil Nadu, lakhs government land availability is there. This convention identified 17 lakh acre government land available is there. Why problem government? What problem Stalin government? We demand every single acre should distribute the landless poor. That is our demand. But second, for 70 years onwards, rural poor cultivating the land, government land. Until now, government do not give to pattas. What is the problem? Without land, Stalin one good program introduced, we welcome. What the against untouchability, enter the temple, etc. Without land, how can he reduce the untouchability? Without land, how can elimination the caste? So land is the important. What the France experience, what the European experience, what the Asia experience, every country they are distributing the land for poor. So our struggle, not only Tamil Nadu, we will start everywhere in India. If governments will give to patta, land distribution, housing. Otherwise, our organizations mobilize the people. We should occupy the government land for housing purpose and cultivation purpose. Finally, forest land. At the time of UPA government, supported by left, UPA government passed the Tribal Land Act. When BJP came to power, they do not distribute the forest land. For example, in Tamil Nadu, hundreds of thousands of people, they applied for the rights, forest rights. BJP denied the forest rights in everywhere. Means forest land, Adani, Narendra Modi, his government, they are give to Adanis, Ambanis, corporate. So now BJP land distribution means not for poor. Land distribution means land to corporate rich landlord. For example, one example I will tell to you. In Chennai, many companies working in Chennai. Okay, we are not objective. That company owners here, Dindigal or Madurai or Coimbatore or Tiruchirappalli, many areas, they are occupying lakhs land. They are controlling the industries, they are controlling the fertilizers, anything. So that's why our demand is land to distribute the every poor and pattas to given everyone. That purpose we are conducting state conference. All over India we are conducting this type of convention.
Okay.